नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचजीडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द theorem based on two similar triangles and their areas. Okay, the theorem based on two similar triangles and their areas. Okay, so theorem is already written here. Theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, or similar triangles. So theorem, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, when given two triangles are similar triangles, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of corresponding sides of that triangles. Okay, ratio of square of the corresponding sides of that triangles. Okay, or these triangles. Okay, so this is the theorem, and now we have to prove that theorem. Okay, so let's start. Now see that first I have drawn two diagrams. Okay, as it is ABC, PQ, you can take any name instead of this. Okay, D is perpendicular, AD is perpendicular to BC, and PS is perpendicular to QR. You know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, so this angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay, so now we have to prove that the area of these two similar triangles, okay, ratio of areas of these two similar triangles is directly proportional to the square of their corresponding sides of the triangles. Okay, so let's start. So what is given, we'll write in triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, okay, and triangle PQR. Okay, so first what you given, we'll write that AD perpendicular BC and okay PS perpendicular QR. Okay, so this is given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay, this is also given. Therefore angle B is congruent to angle Q. Okay, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay, these things are given. Okay, you write by your own ways. Okay, so these are the given things. Now to prove, what we have to prove, area of triangle first ABC upon area of triangle PQR is directly proportional to the square of corresponding sides of the given triangles. So AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, and AC square upon PR square. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, corresponding triangles side square. Okay, ratio of corresponding triangle side square. Okay, prove. Okay, now see, these all things are given in these triangles. Now we have to prove this, how this is possible. Okay, so therefore in triangle, okay, ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, I am writing here simply area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Okay, you know that it is directly proportional. Okay, the ratio of areas of two triangles, okay, is proportional to the product of the side, okay, base and height of the particular triangle. So BC into AD and second QR into PS. Okay, so this is condition 1. Okay, right, this is condition 1. Okay, the ratios of areas of two triangles is directly proportional to the ratio of product of their corresponding sides and bases. Okay, height and bases, or base and height. Okay, this is one of the property of the ratio of areas of two triangles. We have learned this. Okay, so we got this. Now we'll take in triangle ABD. Okay, so in triangle ABD and triangle PQS and triangle PQS. Okay, what do you know that angle ABD? Okay, angle ABD congruent angle PQS. Okay, this is suppose second. Okay, this is given. Okay, this is given actually. Okay, you can see that. If you want to write reason, you can write BDC. Okay, because these are on the same line, and QSR. Okay, if you want to write, you can write this. Okay, so first condition is given. Second, okay, angle ADB congruent angle PSQ. Okay, each is 90 degree, each is 90 degree. Okay, therefore triangle ABD. Okay, therefore triangle ABD okay, similar triangle PQS, okay, by a test, a test, by a test, okay. If these two triangles are similar triangles, okay, if these two triangles are similar triangle, therefore I will write that their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. AB upon PQ is equal to, AB upon PQ is equal to what? AB upon PQ, okay, this AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon, we want AD upon PS. Suppose this is second, okay, this is second, but we know that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, okay, it is given, okay, therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, okay. You write reason corresponding sides of similar triangles, okay. Suppose this is third, and suppose you write reason here also, corresponding sides of similar triangles. This is IMP reason, this is second, okay. Therefore, okay, this 1 3 and this is suppose 1 2 and 3, okay. You can observe that AB upon PQ BC QR AC PR, AB upon PQ AD PS. Therefore, okay, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, okay. If I instead write this AB at the AD, okay, AD and PS, and BQ QR, if I write again AB, okay, so I will get AB upon PQ, and if I change this, okay, I have changed this at the place of this BC and QR, okay, and if I write AB upon PQ for the second, therefore I will get AB square upon PQ square, okay. Therefore similarly you write this, okay, you write by your own ways, okay. There is no need to copy paste from the book directly. We use your own skills and write. This is a very easy theorem, okay. Area of triangle ABC, okay, this is from 1 2 and 3, okay, 1 2 3. Suppose this is fourth, okay. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, okay, this is third, okay, and this is fourth, okay, third and fourth. Then I use AB square PQ square BC square QR square AC square PR square, okay. So this is hence proved, okay. And this is from third and fourth, from 3 and 4, okay. आप देख सकते हो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, ओके. यू यूज दिस, ओके, hence proved, okay, hence proved, okay. So in this way you have to prove this theorem. This theorem is one of the easiest theorem, okay, easy theorem, not easiest but easy theorem. Easily you can solve this. You have to use this property, areas of two triangles is directly proportional to the ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. This theorem, okay, this is property, one of the property of areas of two triangles. Then these two triangles you have to similar, ABD and PQS, and then you have to use their properties, AB upon PQ AD upon PS you will get. But I know that these two triangles are similar, so AB upon PQ BC QR AC PI, okay. So put AB PQ AB PQ AB square PQ, this is 4, this is third, okay, and similarly therefore this, okay, from 3 and 4, okay. So in this way you have to prove this. This is the one of the theorem on which your practice set 1.4 is based, okay. So we have learned this theorem, and after this theorem we will going to solve the practice set 1.4, okay. Okay, we will solve the practice set 1.4, and from this the ratio of first problem, ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3 upon 5, okay, 3 by 5. Then find the ratio of their areas, okay. So we'll consider let the area, okay, let the areas, okay, let the areas of corresponding triangles be A1 and A2, and their sides, okay, their sides be S1 and S2, okay. We have to consider, therefore what is given, S1 upon S2 is equal to given 3 by 5, okay, it is given, okay. Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square, okay. This is by the theorem of ratios of similar triangles, okay, by the theorem of ratios of similar triangle, theorem of ratios of similar triangle, ratio of similar triangle, ratio of similar triangles, okay, similar triangles, by the theorem of ratio of similar triangles, okay. This is given, okay. So use this, therefore A1 and A2, okay, is equal to S1 means 3 and S2 means 5, okay, square square, okay. Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 upon 25, okay. So you write in words what is then the find the ratio of their areas, okay. Therefore the ratio of areas of the similar triangles, of the triangles is, okay, is what, 9 by 25, okay. In this way you have to solve this. If the word problem is there, at that time you just consider their areas be A1 A2 and their sides be S1 S2 B1 B2, whatever the letters you want to just consider same letters 1 and 2, okay. And just use this type of property and just solve this, okay. So this is the first problem. It is depends on you in which way you have to solve, okay. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड्स करता है कि आपको किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है, आपकी टेंडेंसी क्या है कि उस तरह से सॉल्व करो. ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 था. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, we'll solve the second problem. In this problem just we have to fill in the blanks, okay. ABC similar PQR triangle and AB upon PQ 2 by 3, then fill in the blanks. This is one of the activity actually we have to solve this, okay. So therefore we'll write this is by theorem AB square upon PQ square, okay. So here you have to write PQ square, 2 square is what, 4 and 3 square 9, okay. This is your solution, okay. This is a very small activity actually and you have to just complete the activity, okay. So this is the question number 2 and now we are going to solve question number 3, okay. Okay, we'll solve the third problem. In the third problem there is one of the activity. If triangle AB is similar triangle PQR, if area of triangle ABC 80, area of triangle PQR 125, then fill in the blanks, okay. So this is given here, you have to write PQR, okay, triangle PQR, okay, 80 upon 25, and then you have to convert this, okay. I will tell how this comes, okay. 5 ones are 5, okay, and okay, once again 5 ones are 5 and then 3 remaining, 5 6 are 30, okay, and 5 into 25, okay. So this you will get this first, okay, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, okay. Then AB upon PQ you have to find, okay. It is what, taking square root, because you know that reason what, here if you write area, okay, this will be AB square and this will be PQ square, okay. So I'm just writing for this understanding purpose only, okay. So how this come exactly, okay. So now if I, instead of this, okay, if I write therefore AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 by 25, okay. So therefore AB upon PQ is equal to, I will get 4 upon 5, okay. So answer is what, 4 upon 5. So you have to write this, but how this come I'll tell you, okay. This is the reason, because similar triangles area is directly proportional to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides, okay. These are the corresponding sides square, okay. So 16 by 25, first you divide this, you get this, then 16 by 25 you just place here, and then by taking square root you will get 4 by 5, okay. So this is the activity number 2, no, activity number 3, okay. We have solved this. How this come I tell you, okay. And now we are going to solve fourth question. Okay, we'll solve the fourth problem. In this problem a triangle LMN similar triangle PQR is given, okay. So solution I am writing here directly. So first given we write triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR is given. Okay, we have given QR and we have to find MN. Okay, so better way, first I will take this. Therefore area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. Okay, so I want QR square. Okay, no sorry, this is LMN. So first I will write MN square and then QR square. Okay, by theorem of ratio of two similar triangle. Okay, by theorem of ratio of two similar triangle, by theorem of ratio of similar triangles. Okay, similar triangles by theorem of ratio of similar triangles. Okay, just reason this. Okay, suppose this is 1. Okay, but what is given there? But 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN is given. Therefore I will rearrange this. Okay, now what I will get, see that if I take this to this side. Okay, so area of triangle LMN, okay, I take this to this side, area of triangle PQR. Okay, and now okay, I take this to this side, so 9 will remain this side, this will come to this side. Okay, 9 upon this 16. Okay, this is coming like this. Okay, so we got this is second number. Okay, this is second number. Okay, and what is and? I know that QR is equal to 20. Okay, so this is given, okay, this is given. Therefore now see that from 1 and 2 you can see that, therefore 9 upon 16, okay, is equal to MN square upon QR square. Okay, this is from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. Okay, so by taking square root, so you'll get 3 upon 4 is equal to MN upon QR. Okay, by taking square root on both sides, by taking square roots, okay, on both these sides. Okay, now see that what is given I am picking. Okay, but I know that QR is 20, therefore 3 by 4 is equal to MN upon 20. Therefore MN is equal to, okay, 3 into 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are, okay, so it is 3 into 5, it is 15. Okay, therefore MN is equal to 15 units. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, this is solution. But one thing you do that when you're going to rearrange all these things, arrange in the particular way only. Okay, then only you will get the correct solution. Okay, don't do mistake. This PQR we have taken to this side, so 16 will go to this side. Only this arrangement should be correct. Okay, and this from 1 and 2, and then put the values by taking square root, and then put the values and do the calculation. Okay, this is the problem number 4. वी हैव सॉल्व दिस. ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 था, हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5 सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, we'll solve the fifth problem. In the fifth problem, areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter, 81 square centimeter. If a side of smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Okay, we have to solve this. So we'll consider here solution. We'll write here, let area of bigger triangle be A1 and smaller triangle be A2. Okay, just consider this. And okay, side of bigger triangle be S1 and smaller triangle BS2. Okay, therefore what is, you know that therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Okay, by theorem of ratio of areas of similar triangles. Okay, by theorem of ratios of areas of similar triangles. Okay, so use this theorem, but a1 is given 225 square centimeter, a2 is given 81 square centimeter, and then s2 is given. Okay, s2 is given, it is 12 centimeter. Okay, therefore, so put the values 225 upon 81. Okay, 225 upon 81 upon s1 bracket square upon 12. Okay, so just no, better way will solve this. Okay, first s2 bracket square by taking square root on both sides. Okay, it is 15 upon 9. Okay, s1 s2 by taking square root. Okay, square roots on both the sides. Okay, both these sides. Okay, this we got this. Okay, therefore we use that value. Therefore s1 s2 we know that. Therefore 15 upon 9 s1 upon 12. Therefore s1 is equal to 15 into 12 upon 9. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, s1 is equal to 15 into 4 upon 3, 3 1s are 3 5s. Okay, so s1 is equal to 5 into 4, so s1 is equal to 20 units. No, it is centimeter. Okay, therefore side of bigger triangle is, okay, therefore the side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to write. So first you use this formula, then these values are there already, just find out the square roots of the given values, then put the given value of smaller triangle and just do the calculation, you will get your solution. Okay, this is the problem number 5 we have solved, and now we are going to solve problem number 6. Okay, we will solve the problem number 6. In this problem, triangle ABC and triangle DF are equilateral triangles if area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is equal to 1 by 2 and AB is equal to 4, then find D. Okay, so first thing I will write given. Okay, so whatever the given, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangles. Okay, therefore I will write that, therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Okay, because equilateral triangles are always similar. Okay, by property of equilateral triangle, by properties of equilateral triangles. Okay, they are always similar triangles. Okay, first you write this. Okay, you got this. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon D square. Okay, by theorem of areas of equilateral triangle, areas of similar triangles. Okay, triangles. So you write this. Okay, so once you get this, but area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2, it is given. Okay, and AB is equal to 4. Okay, and AB is equal to 4, it is given. Okay, you write this is given. Okay, so therefore we can write this and this is same. Therefore 1 upon 2 is equal to AB square upon d square. Okay, ab square means what? 4 square. 1 upon 2, 4 square upon d square. Okay, so now this will go to this side, therefore d square is equal to 2 into 4 square. Okay, by taking square root on both sides, d is equal to 2 into root 2. Okay, d is equal to root 2 units. Okay, by taking square roots on both sides. Okay, this will go in root and this will no, this is 4 actually. 4 into root 2. Okay, units by taking square root on both sides, by taking square roots on both the sides. Okay, both these sides. Okay, in this way you have to solve this. First you write this is property of equilateral triangles. Second, this is given and this is also given. Then put these values here, 1 upon 2 in the place of this, and just 4 square is here, and do the cross multiplication, and by taking square root you will get 4 into root 2. Okay, this is the value of d. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. This is problem number 6, and now we are going to solve problem number 7. Okay, we'll solve the 7th and last question of practice at 1.4. Now in this case, see, one of the diagram is given, DFE and PFQ. Okay, these two triangles, and there's some assumptions are given. We have to solve this activity. Okay, in figure sec PQ. Okay, PQ you can see and DF parallel to each other. Area of triangle PQF, this PQF is 20 square units. It is given 20 square units. Now this PF, okay, PF is 2dp. Okay, means this is single, this is double. Okay, PF is equal to 2dp. Then find the area of quadrilateral DPQE. Okay, by completing the following activity. Okay, area of triangle PQF is given 20 square units. PF is equal to 2df. Let assume that, okay, dp is equal to x and PF is equal to 2x. Okay, so DF, this whole DF, okay, is equal to what? DP plus PF. Okay, so it is x plus 2x, so it will be 3x. Okay, it will be 3x. This is 3x. Okay, actually I think it is given. Okay, it is given 3x. In triangle PDF, P, okay, P, where is this? FDE. In triangle FDE and FPQ. Okay, both triangles FPQ and FPD. Okay, angle FDE and angle FPQ. Okay, FPQ. See this angle and this angle. Okay, both angles are corresponding angles. Again, angle FED in this way, FED, and angle FQP. Okay, FQP. Okay, these are also corresponding angles. Okay, these are also corresponding angles. Okay, so you got two angles corresponding, therefore triangle. Okay, these two triangles FDE and FPQ are similar triangles by a test. Okay, therefore angle FDE, area of triangle FED, FDE and FPQ. Okay, FDE and FPQ, okay, is equal to 3x, means DF, means what? DF. Okay, whole DF, this DF. Okay, and after PF. Okay, this is PF. Okay, so this is 3x and this is 2x bracket square, so 9 upon 4, x square get cancelled, so you will get 9 by 4. Okay, this is the value. Okay, now therefore area of triangle, just rearrange this. Okay, FDE, this will go to this side, multiple. Okay, multiple to this PFQ. Okay, but area of triangle PFQ, okay, or PQF is given 20. Okay, it is given 20, so 4 ones are 4. Okay, and 4 5s are 20, so it will be 45 square units. Okay, it will be 45 square units, so we'll get this 45 square units. Area of quadrilateral DP, okay, DPQE, okay, now is equal to area of triangle, this whole triangle FDE and minus area of triangle FPQ. Okay, so this, okay, so 45 minus 20, it is given, so it is 25 square units. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. This is one of the activity. This activity is also very easy. Just you have to concentrate on the given facts. Okay, what are the given? Just observe the diagram and solve this. Okay, and this is the last question of practice set 1.4. In the next video, we will start the problem set of lesson number 1, similarity, and after that lesson we'll start the second lesson, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.